Located at 1735 3rd Street in Riverside, California, let Autotech be your first choice in auto repair. A AAA-Approved Auto Repair facility, our standards are high, and so is the value we bring to you. Whether you need an oil change, preventative maintenance, electrical work, steering work, heating repair, clutch repair, or more, we are the name to know. We are open Monday through Friday from 7:30 to 5:30. We provide complete auto care for all of Riverside County and beyond. Your car is important to you. We get that. That's why our ASE certified technicians and service consultants are dedicated to keeping your car in excellent condition. We're here to give you the peace of mind you deserve. Call today to schedule an appointment at 951-784-1090 or visit autotechservice.net.